Phil, that's an aircraft we spoke about all weekend that almost looks like the airplane was built around that Gatling gun, that 30 mil that's shooting about Coke-sized cans out of those.
Twos. Again, they're with us here from right in Master, Missouri, with the 303rd Fighter Squadron out of Whiteman Air Force Base. Ladies and gentlemen, the A-10 Thunderbolts. Let's hear it for them.
Talk about an incredible lineup, Phil.
The aircraft. And again, like many of the aircraft we're seeing in our modern Air Force, it takes its lineage there. They talk about a World War II aircraft with a similar mission. This airplane is named the Thunderbolt II after the P-47, built by Republic back in World War II. The P-47, the original Thunderbolt. Our number 2 pilot today is Captain...
Hey, Carl, do you remember which water?
And as our Thunderbolt 2s touch down out here on runway 8, right, he'll be clearing here momentarily. Be called